Speedway. Brand new, just opened. It is Saturday, April 18th, I believe. May 18th. May 18th, that's what it is. This just reopened. It closed down to make room for Tron, which is still under construction right there, and this is the new track. There we go. Scenic construction tour. Support's going up for Tron already. There's Space Mountain behind the wall. Alright, sucker. Up over the bridge. Over the wall. Feels like it's short because we're almost done. And we are neck and neck. This guy stops suddenly. I'm gonna slam it to the back of him on accident. Darn it. There we go. Really, the whole thing took us about 2 minutes, just maybe a little bit over. Because unfortunately I got started past the gate. And here we are. We're backed up and stopped over by Dumbo. I don't recall it being this close to Dumbo, but I could be wrong on that. Probably wrong on that. High altitude over here too. And basically, it goes from the Tomorrowland Speedway to an LA traffic jam, or an Orlando traffic jam, I-4. But the attraction closed down probably late 2018. I'm not exactly sure the exact date, but it closed down late 2018 and has reopened up in May, so you're looking at least a 6 to 8 month rehab. That means the train should be coming up fairly soon because it was supposed to come up about the same time that Tomorrowland Speedway. And here we go. We'll see how bad we get jammed. Oh. Ow, son of a bitch. Oh, you just got bumped hard from behind. So really the ride experience hasn't changed. You still get the shit slammed out of you. Still get bumped like crazy. And there we go. We're going to put it down here. So thanks for tuning in.